So to tie down a load, just an imaginary load right now, just to demonstrate this, we got to attach our rope some way. I'm going to use that quick bowling. So you flip a slip knot in it, pass the rope around. There's your bowling. All right. So we're going to go over our load. All right, and here's where the trucker hitch comes in. I want to put some leverage. So you can do it with just one slip knot, but it cinches down real tight. What I do is go around 3 or 4 loops and then pull it, and that comes out easy whenever you get done with it. You pass your tag in through there, and you've got all the leverage you want. Just a quick pinch here. You're going to put a biter rope through there and one more half hitch, and you got it secured. To undo it, you're right there. And this last knot, no matter how much weight you put on it, just pops right out.